Hey guys, John McNeil here, and you can see I'm rocking my Granny is 95. It's my grandmother's birthday. She turned 95 today. It's an amazing accomplishment to turn such an age of 95. It's a testament to clean living and a vegetarian lifestyle. I don't eat pork, but I do love my chicken. So let's go ahead and get into this video, guys. And welcome to my channel. This is John. If this is the first time you come here, we teach you all about affiliate marketing. So if that interests you, go ahead and definitely click that little blue John McNeil icon on the right-hand corner of the screen and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video, guys. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about how to start your affiliate marketing business if you're a beginner. Alright guys, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, there's 3 things that you need to basically do in order to make affiliate marketing a success for you, right? So the first thing you need to do is you need to pick a niche. And within that niche, you need to pick a high converting product. Now there's a whole lot that goes into picking a high converting product, but just some rules of thumb is when you actually go pick a product, you want to go ahead and look at the history of sales. Sales are going to actually tell you that the product is converting, that it's a quality product, and then you also want to kind of do some research on the product owner to see if they've had, a history of, recent launches or products that did very well in that market space. Number 2 is once you have your product, you actually have to have some sort of sales funnel, or what I like to call a conversion system that takes traffic and converts them into sales, right? Because you have your product already and you need some sort of website, again, what I call a conversion system that gathers people's information, their email address. You deliver some sort of free content to them, and then you're able to deliver a solution, which is the product that you've chosen to market, right? And then the last thing that you're going to need is traffic, right? You got your product, you got your sales funnel set up, and then you get traffic to that sales funnel to go ahead and convert those leads into sales. And where do you get traffic from? There's 2 different ways you can do it. You can do it the free way, you can do it the paid way. I'll show you a myriad of ways to get traffic to your website here on my channel. I'll link a couple of those videos in the description below. But that's the only thing you need, guys. There's 3 things. You need traffic, you need a product, and you need a converting sales funnel to actually make money with affiliate marketing. A lot of people try to complicate it and do all of these different methods, but if you just follow those 3 things and you nail those 3 things, and then you just continue sending traffic to your squeeze page, your list is gonna grow, your sales are gonna grow, and you're gonna keep making money over time because you're gonna be building your list and you're gonna be sending them more offers that they are interested in, that they'll actually purchase from you. So I'm at the beach, guys. It's super hot out here. I'm actually at New Smyrna Beach, so I just wanted to cut this quick video for you guys to kind of show you, like, you don't have to make it difficult. It could be super simple, traffic, sales funnel, product. That's all you need. Stop complicating it, guys. I want you to make this money with affiliate marketing so you could be out here with me celebrating on the beach, celebrating my grandmother's 95th birthday. It's an amazing feeling. I'm having a good time. Guys, I gotta go now. Just make sure you check the resources in the description below for some links, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.